Alright, guys, for some reason my video stopped out of nowhere, so I'm going to upload that video and this video. Alright. It's fucking loud. Alright. I'm going to do a few more hits until I fucking break it some more. Ooh, ouch. Oh, I don't need my dad finding out about this, but oh fuck, I don't want to cut my hand up with this stick. Yeah, this thing will not be working ever again, and you cannot get it fixed. I'm sure you all know that. It's never gonna work, and you can't really get it fixed. Alright, now I'm gonna try this from the bottom. I gotta throw all this plastic away. It's loud. Hopefully nobody fucking hears me. Wish I could have done this like out of town or something. Boom. Split that fucker right in half. Whew. Oh, that fucker's done. Alright, do a little bit more damage to it. Hold on, what is this? One more hard hit. A few more. Alright, that's... Alright. I'm gonna come back to you when I get all this shit cleaned up. That's that part. Alright, I'll come back to you guys.